In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history in Google Meet. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click, with a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening a web browser and heading to meet.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. If you're using a work or school account, keep in mind that some features may be managed by your organization's admin. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see your Meet dashboard. From here, we'll head straight into the settings. Look to the top right corner of the page for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click it to open the settings panel. If your window is narrow or you don't immediately see the gear, expand your browser window or look for a menu icon that reveals additional options. The settings area is where Meet groups all its preferences, including audio and video controls and the section we need for call records. Inside settings, find and select call history. This section shows your recent call records tied to Google Meet's calling features. It's different from scheduled meetings on your calendar. It's specifically the list of call entries, which can include outgoing and incoming calls made through Meet. Once you're viewing the call history area, look for the option to delete call history. This is the control that clears your listed call records from your account. Click Delete Call History. Before anything is removed, Google Meet will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you want to proceed. When the confirmation appears, read the prompt so you're clear on what's about to happen. Deleting call history is typically permanent and can't be undone. It affects only the call records shown here. It doesn't delete meeting recordings, chat messages, or calendar events. If you're sure, click Delete to confirm. Your call records will be cleared and the list should update right away to reflect the change. If you don't see a call history option, it may be because you haven't placed or received calls in Meet. The feature isn't available for your account type or region, or your organization has restricted access. In those cases, check with your admin or try signing out and back into the correct account. And that's it. You've opened Google Meet, gone into settings, navigated to call history, chosen to delete, and confirmed the action. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.